One of the functionalities that keeps breaking, at least for my system, is the Windows search. And I am sure many also experience the same troubles. If Windows 10 search isn't working on your computer, you are in the right place. You will find solutions in this tutorial to fix various problems related to search on Windows 10 computer. Let's start. The first solution that you should try is to restart your Windows 10 PC. Sometimes, such a simple solution saves you from unnecessary tinkering around your otherwise fine system. Enable Search Service. The Windows Search Service needs to be running for the search functionality to work properly. Here's how to restart the service and make sure it's running on startup. Open Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar. Click More Details. Go to the Services tab. Click on Open Services. The Services window will open. Scroll down and look for Windows Search. Double-click on Windows Search to open its properties. Make sure the box next to Startup Type shows Automatic Delayed Start. If it's showing Manual, click on the drop-down box and choose Automatic. Click on Apply. Also, click on the Start button to start the service. Run ctfmon. ctfmon monitors the keyboard, speech recognition, handwriting recognition, and similar input services on Windows 10. You need to enable it if you are unable to type in Windows Search. To do so, open the Run window. Right-click on the Start menu icon and choose Run. Write this command in the Run box and hit Enter. Open Windows Search. Hopefully, you shall be able to search for your files and documents without any issue. Rebuild Search Index. Sometimes, broken or old indexes can also cause problems with the Windows Search. To fix it, you will need to rebuild the search index. Open Control Panel by going to Start menu. Windows System. Control Panel. When the Control Panel opens, make sure View by Mode is either selected as small icons or large icons. Click on Indexing Options. Click on Advanced under Indexing Options. Click on the Rebuild button. Wait for your computer to complete the indexing process. Then restart your computer. Troubleshoot Windows Search. Another way to fix the problem of Windows Search not working is to use the built-in troubleshooter. To use it, open Windows Settings. And go to Update and Security. Click on Troubleshoot from the left sidebar. On the Troubleshoot screen, click on Search and Indexing. Click on the Run the Troubleshooter button. On the screen that opens, check the boxes next to the problems that you are facing and click on Next. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the troubleshooting process. We hope one of the solutions should have fixed the Windows 10 search not working issue.